So investing in an agent, it's kind of it's a funny question, because so many agents, when they come over, when they interview at Seaport, one of the first questions I always get is, "Are you investing in my business?" And I ask a counter, well, I ask that back to an agent. What are you looking for? 99% of them say they need leads. And ideally, yes, it's a super important part of our business. But the reality is, if you don't have the backbone, if you don't have the back end support and the ideal program behind you, I can give you 1,000,000 leads, but the reality is you're not going to be able to convert them at the high level anyways. So we're just wasting everyone's time. And so back in the day, when we first started Seaport, that was a big part. I thought investing was just buying third-party leads, buying any type of system that would somewhat provide anything for our agents, whether it was Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, any third-party system, you name it. We were involved with it and wasting thousands of dollars a month. And so what I've realized over 10 years of owning Seaport, it's not that. Granted, we still provide that on many different levels, but it's more on the organic side, and it's more true quality leads that we're presenting. But for us, the platform that we have is kind of a 3-tier platform that I believe personally we've absolutely perfected. One is the marketing. We're a marketing company. We're known as one of the top marketing companies, I would say, not only in our Savannah market, but in the entire Southeast, if not, across the country. We do so many unique things, so many innovative things in our space. So the marketing is one that we invest in, and it's more of an organic approach. I mean, we love and we pride ourselves of bringing our marketing back in-house to have full control over every side of it. But on that same level, everything that we do in-house, all the organic, that's all provided to the single agent who always tries to do their own flyers and binders and everything they need for the listing. We take that off the agent's plate, so they never have to worry about any of that social media calendar. We run it all for them. Second tier of investment into an agent is truly the back-end support. We invest in a company to provide staff support inside, so the agents do not have to write offers, do not have to manage closings. So we have a contract closing coordinator that they don't have to pay. Majority of agents throughout the country will pay third-party companies. We have that in-house at Seaport to manage the entire process for that agent from contract to close. Huge step of the process, very time-consuming for an agent. We take it off their plate. The third aspect that I am most proudful of right now, because we're changing it in so many different ways, is the training. We invest a ton of money on a monthly basis, and we are outputting not only individual classroom trainings for our agents on a weekly basis, but on a one-on-one basis is probably one of the most valuable pieces. I'm investing not only financials to grow my mind to help literally provide and pour into these agents, but I am providing a value of my time with a one-on-one position with the agents. And I think that's where the agents that we have in our office appreciate the most. It's not the fluff and all the other stuff that anyone else will say that they'll provide. It's the literally time investment that I will sit down and I will make sure that we do everything possible that individual agent is the best at what they do in their space and helps grow their individual business.